Mamene Honorable Kofi Amankwah Manu, MP Atwuma Kwama, member of the Security Committee in Juchunkomo. Honorable Timenka. Great. Unia PV Janto and so and or the other line so NDC senior communication team member. Ne stands in opposition now Nina say dear Uma Bayen on one for so. But what I'm sure so what to be government na omu bomu tirisu NDC for bomu tirisu all of a sudden the obetiane say yeguso ye we anone sesano from MPP any mumu sumu position any dear way in terms of Galamsey fight.
Nana me das be brave. Na Galamsey dear me MPP in government and now me who say Galamsey enya dia ebeboa na Galamsey ya dia me debia me kase eni say politicizing the issue of Galamsey. Enti abra na ye nuanom petumi anu omo de Galamsey aye eyi twia pia no omo we ne de ene ye kan se mo hwe yi o de kan se mo hwe yi afuku aye di ku ye Kufuado address o ene ana aba be dedi o ene ana aba be dedi ene ye nuanom ene wa bam afa wan solution na omo profile asa gudie bi ne edie Galamsey asem na down enya gudie o ene ye di kan se ye be kai a ye nyina ye hwe ade esi wo obuase elections aye ko ni ye hwe nipa kutupa ani ye beba ma ye de Galamsey ye wura John Mahama then as candidate John Mahama also ono de so be president obe free obi ayachi ni bia odo obi anu ma bema no ene da ho yo afedi ye nkonkoti ayese aboa emayu ani mamu wa bia no say ye de omo blue de be marine ya show omo sweatpants Adidas blues and ya show omo t-shirt see akomo ma kon 1992. I mean how can we even think of this? So the question I'm Busani say, are we not going to expose the lives of these young ones to any part? Sabi, omukute tuoni adiade. Yewura minister Bekatre say, Sabi ya kwaye 9 out of 44. Sa Galamsey yesi editu akwa kwaji omu ye mu adwuma. Well, Okaba Saba Parliament Bekatre say, some of the forests have been crawled back, but which of them have been crawled back till today we don't know. Afraid ya young kwati yesi, afraid ya say, oh yeah. A foreigner nasi ya chiwa yebemu wako ukrum nemo mu ye Ghana ni dia yebema wajina mrano na sebi ya mrane nwedi na he fan ye sa selective justice we sebe ye kan wasem ewo wiase bone ye bone u commit crime mrano said yen we cannot choose and select nipa was sebe afraid the Ghana for in our own country ye person ye reduce ye as second citizens in our own land. Sabi asa grobin yedi afraid yes police you be rotate the police they do be call 3 months you do kwa yes go and fix the problem ye wo opposition NDC ma yet nyante almost omunim the campaigns behind Galamsey abosome yenru na crowd afraid the campaigns no munim omu bio mini adwan to campaigns ni enim omu bio sa police for asem ya ye can say you do be call now 3 months they are only going to set the police up. They are going to set the police up. That is all. And the police must be careful because someone say here they will set them up and sack them. They must be very careful. Meanwhile, start the fight against Galamsey should be a collective fight because a idea or papa. Say Chinese in Ibe na say ebony. Now the country say our prisons are congested. 80 foreigners they ain't me for mum kugu. Nemo me Ghana ni dia. Ye betim de nakwa akotwa. Beti ase a enye ye. Beti ase a enye ye. Beti ase a enye ye. Mesre. Eye ade a edi enya. Obintimi mayamamu mesre ya sase. Obintimi mayamamu na se bi okutatuo de yakaka bensem. No no de ye tena yesiko ukrom. Senra ye bi na senya. Miduanom yesue free ye ya enye no. Ani ya ye ni ye. Because ye na say ye magana nyina ene ye koko say ene ye nuane say ene ye nso de bobo munso ade a modi betina so me kai pa me nua meka sembi. In fact some beka ya election TUC Trade Union Congress almost ye demonstration against Galamsey meeting Kufuado ye Kufuado friend na meeting nimbi obusa almost sembi say me buy from day one. And I'm started fighting against Galamsey. Number way. Mo be come ho a e bia nka eduru akire. Ene ye kwa akoto aba. Few weeks to ye kwa akoto aba. Afred ya mo se mo fight Galamsey. Yenya lecturers wo krom ha. Lecturers e wo krom ha professors. A omo so omo de omo kwa akọ fight Galamsey. E see youth tax. E de ye Galamsey dede. Ene omo way. And omo way e be said they are not even competent enough to talk about Galamsey. Hey, I ain't here quick. Many are down to I ain't here quick. I think that the government must be serious.
Right.
They must be serious to fight Galamsey because we cannot get it wrong this time.
Maybe
What say the almost say no? And Mredu said they will have to walk the talk.
I agree.
And that's good here.
Mati, I agree. Last one, just 30 seconds to be. Oh, yeah, member of the Security Committee in Parliament. Mobile Frere, Honorable Muntakaso Mechiri Sadi Wimuyana.
And I say Muntaka de Mia Miniano. In fact, the committee now for Kramian Casa Krame friend, I'm not changing me because Mentias here. The committee nimpo afra me ankasa me fra ma na cheche mu because mentias here I say ya tonte
all right
where they should go and come back and table power we party I was so much here tonta omo hwe ntani kubu ni antu ni yi
any ocho mu a no aba be che mu adaroma
definitely I'll get back
Honorable Nyamin Shaw said the bia oni etwetwe
Nyamin Shaw